Everyone, today we're going to be making some delicious breakfast or brunch. Eggs, onion, garlic, mozzarella cheese I have, mushrooms, and puff pastry. I have them pre-cut to a desired shape. And I'm going to chop the onion, saute until it's translucent over medium heat. Chop your garlic. And it seems like a lot of garlic, but it's really not so much. Really, you won't really even taste, but it does give you a nice little kick. So put in the garlic and for about 1 minute, then throw in your chopped mushrooms. And we're gonna cook this over medium heat until the mushrooms are soft. And it takes about maybe 10 minutes. Now this is ready. To cool this off faster, we're gonna place it on a plate. So that's done. Make sure you season with salt. Shred your mozzarella. On your puff pastry, place the shredded cheese. Then we're gonna place our mushrooms, and you kind of want to flatten that out just a bit. Don't go onto the edges because we will close it up like that. And we're gonna do an egg wash. I just have the egg yolk here, but you can do the whole with the whites as well. We're gonna put this to bake on 375 for about 10-15 minutes until it kind of holds its shape. I have 4 eggs. I broke them into 4 cups. You just want to remove your egg whites if there's too much of an egg or too much liquid. So this has baked for about 10-15 minutes. And now the puff pastry is holding its shape. We're just going to flatten and make a little well in the middle and put in the egg. Now we're going to put it to bake for about another 10-15 minutes or until the egg is cooked to your desire. If you want it more runny, less. If you want it more cooked, then yeah. So here it is. Delicious, easy. And it's nice for brunch, and it's just, you get the mushrooms, you get the egg. It's just so delicious. And I sprinkled some parsley on top. Please like and subscribe, and I'll be glad if you join me with my next video. You do not want to miss out. This is just yummy. Yeah, you just want to let it cool just a little bit so you don't burn your mouth. Thanks for watching.